hi nawu wa khomixini ya swa vululami na wa matirhelo na matikhomelo wu fanele ku langutisisiwa kan'we eka malembe manharhu hi muahlurinkulu hi ku tirhisana na holobye wa vululami, naswona swiringanyeto swa ku cinca nawu lowu swi fanele swi andlariwa ePalamende ku pasisiwa, kambe a wu se langutiwa nakambe ku ringana nkarhinyana sweswi.
As far as we are aware, there has been no revision of the Code of Conduct since it was first passed in 2014. However, this does not mean that the Code of Conduct is invalid. It simply means that the Code of Conduct is still valid in terms of the law. However, there just has not been a revision that has been done to the code.
Hi wona nawu lowu nga tirhisiwa ku lavisisa matikhomelo ya khale ka mavanyisinkulu mukhweng eka leswi a nga swi vula ku seketela Israel. Eka mburisano wo hlawuleka na SABC, loyi a nga siva mukhweng u tiyisisile leswaku nawu lowu a wu hleriwa nakambe.
Interestingly, I think a few weeks ago I was looking at exactly that, there may be a need to have a look at it. It might not mean that anything will change, but certainly I think what is expected is that within certain intervals, and I think you might be right, maybe it's 3 years, within certain intervals, we should look at it and see whether it needs any amendment or not.
Yes.
So it's something that I will be looking at in due course. I can't remember the actual wording, but I do know that certainly it's supposed to be reviewed within a certain period of time, and so if it says must, and that period has come and gone without it being reviewed, we obviously will have to do what we can, even if it's after. But obviously, if that period has not lapsed, then we must comply.
Nawu lowu hi wona un'wana wa swirho swa khale swa ANC Tony Yengeni a vulaka leswaku wu tluriwile hi Zondo. A swi se va erivaleni loko JSC va ta languta xivilelo xa Yengeni.